Olá, pessoal. Sou Josh de novo. Estou aqui para contar uma piada em inglês. Divirta-se. After many years of marriage, a husband became a lazy couch potato, only watching TV and drinking beer, never paying any attention to his wife. She did not like this one bit. So one day in a pet store, the wife saw this big, ugly, snorting bird with a hairy chest, powerful claws, beady eyes, and drool running down its beak. The store owner noticed her staring at the bird, told her that it was a special imported Gooney bird and had a special trait. So to show her, he said, "Gooney bird, table." Immediately the Gooney bird flew down with its single-minded fury, attacked the table, and smashed it into 100 little pieces with its big beak and powerful claws. Next, the store owner said, "Gooney bird, shelf." And so the Gooney bird turned to the shelf and demolished it in seconds. "Wow," said the wife. "If this doesn't catch my husband's attention, nothing will." So she bought the bird and took it home. When she entered the house, the husband was, as usual, watching TV and drinking beer. "Honey," she exclaimed, "I've got a surprise for you, a Gooney bird." Husband, in a bored tone, said, "Gooney bird, my ass." Entendeu? Parabéns. Não? Então, tem mais informações dentro de descrição. E você pode aprender mais inglês no meu site ingletube.com.br. E não esquece para curtir. Obrigado. Thank you. Bye bye. Para ouvir a piada de última semana, então clique aqui e você vai ouvir.